Welcome to ASD4 English, your daily dose of spoken English practice.
Let's practice 40 most important daily use sentences. Set 1. Morning routine. Wake up now. Wake up now. अब उठो. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. अपने दांत brush करो. Take a shower. Take a shower. Nahao. Get ready for school. Get ready for school. School के लिए तैयार हो जाओ. Eat your breakfast. Eat your breakfast. अपना नाश्ता खाओ. Where are my shoes? Where are my shoes? मेरे जूते कहाँ हैं? Pack your bag. Pack your bag. अपना bag pack करो. Don't be late. Don't be late. देर मत करना. Hurry up. Hurry up. जल्दी करो. Let's go. Let's go. चलो चलते हैं. Set 2. School or work. I have homework to do. I have homework to do. मुझे homework करना है. Open your notebook. Open your notebook. अपनी notebook खोलो. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. ध्यान से सुनो. May I come in? May I come in? क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? I don't understand this. I don't understand this. मुझे ये समझ नहीं आया. Please explain again. Please explain again. कृपया फिर से समझाइए. I need a break. I need a break. मुझे थोड़ा आराम चाहिए. He is absent today. He is absent today. वह आज अनुपस्थित है. Submit your work. Submit your work. अपना काम जमा करो. The bell just rang. The bell just rang. घंटी अभी बजी है. Set 3. At home. Help me in the kitchen. Help me in the kitchen. मुझे रसोई में मदद करो. Clean your room. Clean your room. अपना कमरा साफ करो. Don't shout. Don't shout. चिल्लाओ मत. I am tired. I am tired. मैं थक गया हूँ. Let's watch TV. Let's watch TV. चलो TV देखते हैं. Can I have water? Can I have water? क्या मुझे पानी मिलेगा? It's time to sleep. It's time to sleep. सोने का समय हो गया है. Turn off the lights. Turn off the lights. Light बंद कर दो. Good night. Good night. शुभ रात्रि. Sleep well. Sleep well. अच्छी नींद लो. Set 4. Talking with friends. What's up? What's up? क्या चल रहा है? Long time no see. Long time no see. बहुत दिनों बाद मिल रहे हैं. Let's hang out. Let's hang out. चलो बाहर चलते हैं. That's awesome. That's awesome. ये तो शानदार है. I didn't expect that. I didn't expect that.
मैंने ये उम्मीद नहीं की थी.
Are you serious? Are you serious?
क्या तुम गंभीर हो?
I was just kidding. I was just kidding.
मैं तो मजाक कर रहा था.
Call me later. Call me later.
मुझे बाद में कॉल करना.
Take care. Take care.
अपना ख्याल रखना.
See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
कल मिलते हैं.
These 40 sentences will boost your daily English speaking confidence. Practice them every day and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to ASD for English.